We've come a long way, starting at Southwestern 10 years ago, all the way here to North Carolina under the altar. I'm in awe every single day of you. You're the bravest person I know. You moved from Florida just to take a chance on me. I promise to always be your biggest fan and your partner in crime.
Not wearing mascara, but I still don't want to cry.
I love you too.
The journey was long. It took 10 years for us to get to North Carolina under the altar. She is the bravest woman that I know. She took a chance on me, moved way away from her comfort zone to a place where she knew nobody, and she is just my heart and soul, and I love her every day.
Christopher Michael French, I love you. Our love is the kind of love I never thought existed or thought I would ever deserve. Who would have thought that almost 10 years after meeting you, I would be becoming your wife? It wasn't hard to fall for you, and every day I'm reminded of how perfect God's plan has been for us. Distance was such a barrier for us until God knew we were both ready.
I would ask you to commit to each other the virtues found in Galatians 5 and verse 22 and 23. These virtues, known as the fruit of the Spirit of God, are love, peace, joy, patience, kindness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control. Now let those words sink in for a minute. As a symbol of this desire and a circle of commitment, place this ring on his finger. By way of this commitment, I now pronounce you before God, husband and wife. Chris, you may kiss your stunning bride.
My wish for you two today is that your love continues to grow and maybe turn into something like this sonnet. I love you without knowing how or when or from where. I love you straightforwardly without complexities or pride. So I love you because I know no other way than this, where I does not exist nor you. So close that your hand on my chest is my hand. So close that your eyes close as I fall asleep. Cheers to Jackie and Chris.
The best thing about our friendship is his faith through God. And that is the one thing that our families always brought us together on. In my life, I've had a roller coaster ride, but he's been the steady point that always brings me back in on the limelight. Without you, I don't know where I'd be. I love you so much, man. Jackie, you're amazing. I couldn't have picked a better bride for him. I love you guys with all my heart. So everyone raise your glass. I think I speak for everyone here when I say God bless Frenchie and Jackie, and God bless these United States of America.
I vow to support you.
I promise to grow old with you.
I promise to listen.
I promise, always and forever, you and no other.